All right, so here we are with video number 4. We're going to go ahead and move into just a regular Facebook post. So what we're going to do here is we're going to go to home and we are going to type in Facebook. There we go. So you have Facebook ad, Facebook cover, Facebook event cover, Facebook post. We're going to go with a Facebook post. And what we're going to do here is scroll down and see if we can find any Facebook posts we may want to use. Actually, Mother's Day is coming up, so that's a great a holiday that we can highlight. So what we're going to do is, let's see, we're looking at this particular design template and we're like, looks okay, but I think I want to do something a little bit more spunky, right? If you go over to the side here, you'll see Canva actually offers up a bunch of different posts for different occasions. So you have love Facebook posts, autumn Facebook posts, winter. You have a bunch of different options for you. So if we put Mother's Day, you'll get a bunch of Mother's Day posts. And so I'm just going to scroll through here and see which one I like the most. All right. And I actually want to keep it simple. Let's go with something like this. Since I am a mom, I'm going to go ahead and use this particular post here. And what I'm going to do here is take that and I'm going to use a image that I have in here of myself and my children, or one of my kids. Here we go. I'll use that one, right? Especially since it's COVID times. Right? And we can go in here and we can change the type. So, love never. I don't know what I would want to say that. Mom life. I'll just put like hashtag mom life or something. Right. And of course I can go in and customize this and change this if I wanted to change the colors on here to match some of the colors, which they already kind of do because I'm wearing like black and white, but maybe I want to match the colors that my daughter's wearing. And unfortunately, you see this picture here? What it'll do is it'll give you the pictures that are inside that picture. It'll give you the colors inside of that picture, and it's not picking up my daughter's shirt. So if I wanted to put a color that matched her shirt, I'd have to go and play around with it a bit, but we're just going to leave it simple. Very straightforward. If I wanted to change any of the text here, I can change the text by clicking on the text bar. I love elements. So throughout this whole Canva series tutorial, you're going to see me use a lot of elements. And what I like to do is just go in here and just make it really fun and kind of uplifting, and that's just my personality and my brand. But of course, you don't have to do that. But if you wanted to, the option is available to you. So let's say maybe even that yellow that's inside of my, that's on the side of the mask that I have on. Let's say I wanted to take some yellow and like do that. Like, once again, I'm no designer, so I'd play around with this a little bit more, but we could totally do something like that. And then what you're going to do is click here. Now I've turned it into a video by adding this element to it. I've turned it into a video. So I would just download the video here. Just click download, and it'll download it as an MP3, or excuse me, MP4. And we'll just go ahead and take that off. If we take that off, as you can see, the option changes to just a PNG. And I usually just download as a PNG all of my photos. You can rename the photo, whatever you want to rename it. If you wanted to add any other additional elements to it, you can do that here as well. But pretty straightforward. So let's say I look at this and I go, well, maybe not. Maybe I'll just do something that's just simple text to my followers on Facebook, to the folks that follow my page on Facebook. And I want to just do something around my brand and my business. So I like this one here. Pretty simple, straight and direct and to the point. Just says Happy Mother's Day. We can go in here and we can change any of this font. Okay, so something like, I don't know. anyway, we can just go in here and we can change as much as we wanted to change about this. If we wanted to change the color of the font, we can do that here. We can just click on it and make it pink. I actually like the pink a little bit better. I don't think there's anything else here I want to show you guys. If you wanted to change the font, you can do that here as well. So I usually leave the fonts alone with the templates though, because usually they choose the font that goes along with that template and it usually works well. So I usually leave that alone. So I'm going to go ahead and hit that back button. If you ever make a mistake or change something, and you're like, actually liked it better the other way, you can click on this back button and it'll reverse exactly what you did. The resizing tool, once again, is the tool where you can change your image to fit any of the other social media platforms. So you only need to create it once and it'll go ahead and change it for you. Once again, this is a Canva Pro feature. So you will need to upgrade in order to access that feature. But that's pretty much it for a Facebook post. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to leave those down below this video and I will get right back to you. See you in the next video.